Hello my friends, it's Odette here. So I'm rolling out another video for you guys today because I figured I've got the hair, I've got the face, I've got the clothes. Why not just keep it rolling? So I did this makeup for you guys in the last video and I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And I also hope you didn't think I was too negative in that video because it was not my intention. It was just on my mind about, my YouTube watch time and my YouTube views, and I just had to talk about it. And I've talked about it and I've moved on. So today we are going to be talking bras, and I have never done a video like this before for you guys, never ever ever. And I think it's important too that when you dressing yourself, you wear the right undergarments to make your clothes look really good, to make your clothes stand out, to make it fit properly. So for the longest while I have been wearing size 38B bra. And I don't remember if we were living here or we were living in Canada, but I went to get myself measured for the proper bra size. Oh no, I think it was at Mark & Spencer on Oxford Street. Anywho, so I went in and the girl was like, she said, what is this that you're wearing? What is this? She said, this is doing nothing for you. So she got me measured and she said, you are a size 34F. And I said, I'm sorry, I'm a what? I'm a 34 what? I'm a 34F. And I was like, what the heck? I was really surprised. So I did pick up a couple of bras from them at the time, and I gotta tell you, it really transformed the way your body feels. It really holds you in. It makes your tummy look nice and flat. It really does suck you in. So let me just show you exactly what I've got. So one of my co-workers mentioned this particular store called Bravissimo, and I picked up 3 bras from them. So this one is 32 pounds. I mean, the prices are in the 30s, which may be a little bit steep for a lot of people, but the quality of the bras are really important. And this is the price right here. I hope you guys can see that, 32 pounds. And it's from this store, and it's called Bravissimo, okay? And the size of this one is a size 34F, and I love this one. And the thing is too, I always wanted to update my bra collection, but I'm always so lazy in doing it. And this bra is just the most beautiful ever. I mean, I love the color because I'm trying to add some color into my wardrobe. It is just so pretty. And you may think, oh my God, that is really huge. It's not, because it's supposed to fit you completely. You're not supposed to wear a bra where things are hanging out. Absolutely not. And again, like I said, it's 32 pounds. It might be a little pricey for some people, but I would rather spend the money for a good quality bra that will fit. Okay, everything's going to be linked below for you guys. This is one of them. The other one that I picked up is this animal print. I'm just gonna hook this quickly for you guys. And I absolutely love this one. And again, they're all size 34F. Beautiful bra, and it has a lovely mesh feel to it. And it has like a little padding, slight mesh padding sort of on the inside, and it fits so beautiful. I mean, look at that. And I was very impressed when I tried these bras on, how perfectly they fit. And I think as women, it's important that you go in and get yourself fitted, because you know what? I really hate to see women out in public wearing bras and their boobs are down to their knees. Obviously, you're wearing the wrong bra. So this is the red one, and this is a beautiful lace bra. I love this one. So this is 34 pounds, like I said, from Bravissimo. It's probably going to be in the mid-30s price, and it might be a little bit pricey for you guys, but I tell you, it's worth it. This one is 34. The animal print, I think it was 32, but I'm going to link the prices for you guys to the in the description box. Look at this one, how gorgeous it is. Beautiful lace detail right there. Absolutely stunning. And they fit beautiful and perfect. And these are not padded. I don't really need the padded bra because it's going to make me look too large. And they've got a nice fitting on the inside here, which is really pretty. Beautiful, gorgeous lace bra, and of course you do have the underwire, and it's not the type of underwire that's going to hook into your skin. It's going to make you look so stunning. Beautiful. So this one here is a strapless bra, and I got this one from Next. And I always wanted to get a really good strapless bra, because sometimes in the summertime when you're wearing those off the shoulder tops and things like that, this is so beautiful. This one comes with the straps. This one was from Next, and this was 20 pounds. And you can put the straps in depending on what you're wearing, or you can just take them off. But again, 34F is the size, and you may think, oh my God, you know, that's really large. But this fits so awesome. This is not a try on haul. I'm not going to be trying these things on for you guys. I'm not that confident to do that. So you do have the hooks on the inside here, where you can just hook the straps in if you wish, depending if you want something maybe strapless, or you want to put, or maybe like it's a low cut top or something like that. Really, really pretty. Again, 34F, my size, stunning. So I did some shopping as well from Mark & Spencer. So I did pick up this black one. This is 16 pounds. Again, size 34F. Beautiful. As you can see the size right here. I hope you guys can see that. 16 pounds. And this one is also beautiful though, because I'm looking for the nice lace detail here. And again, I do not wear bras that are padded because it's going to make me look too big. And I just like this little... I like the way it is here on the inside. Really, really pretty, almost like a silk type of a material right there. Lovely. Because back in the days, I will always buy black bras, but I'm trying to add some color to my wardrobe, including my undergarments. This one is very, very pretty. Stunning, gorgeous. Mark & Spencer, 16 pounds. Then, from Mark & Spencer, I do have this creamy color. What's this color called? I'm not quite sure. But again, this is 16 pounds. Here we go. This is the price right there, 16 pounds. Mark & Spencer, 34F, my size. I absolutely love it. And again, I'm looking for the lace detailing right there. Beautiful. And again, these bras are not padded. I absolutely love them. And I'm so excited though, because like I said, I always wanted to update my bra collection, because I probably have the same 6 bras for the last 30 years, and it's about time you change them up to make it look a little bit more fresh, to freshen up your wardrobe. This is absolutely gorgeous. 34F, 16 pounds, and this is from Mark & Spencer. I do have another one here, and it's almost like a gunmetal color from Mark & Spencer. This one is 22 pounds, same size, 34F. And as you can see, my theme, which is the lace, which I really, really, really love. And you know, when you wear things like colors like these under a nice white shirt, and you know, you see that hint of color, it's gonna look so pretty. Oh my God, I can't wait to wear these ones. And this is 22 pounds, as you can see right there. Not a bad price for these bras, really. Hope you guys can see 22 pounds right there. Okay. And from Mark & Spencer, I love this one. It's almost like a blue color. Or maybe like a gunmetal type of color, or maybe like a purplish type of color. Beautiful, stunning. Again, these are not padded, and I absolutely adore these. 34F, 22 pounds, Mark & Spencer. Last but not least, I have another one here again from Mark & Spencer. This one is 18 pounds. I'm just going to bring this around to show you guys. There you go, 18 pounds. And I love this beautiful pinky bow detail right in the middle. It's like a white heart that's printed on the mesh right there. It's obviously see-through, and I love this one. It doesn't have any lining on the inside, but this is absolutely gorgeous. Again, when you wear this under like a white shirt and you have a hint of that color showing, it's so beautiful. This is 18 pounds, and this is from Mark & Spencer. And I'm actually so proud that I've actually had a chance to update my bra collection, because like I said, I've got a few that I have been wearing for a very long time, and it's really, really good as women to update your undergarments every once in a while, because sometimes we pay so much attention to the hair, the makeup, and the clothes, and the nails, and the shoes. But what are you wearing under those clothes? What do you got below there? What are you wearing underneath there? So here we go. Beautiful, beautiful undergarments, beautiful bra, and again from Mark & Spencer. And I'm not quite sure if this is a sale or not, but I think this is obviously the correct price. I don't think it was a markdown or anything. But they are so beautiful, and I love this color. So absolutely stunning. They are absolutely gorgeous. beautiful, beautiful. So I got 4 of them from Mark and Spencer. Okay, this bunch here. And then I've got the strapless bra, and this is from Next. Love this one. And the one from Next is 20 pounds. And these are from Bravissimo. Bravissimo is an awesome place to shop for your bras. And this one here is so stunning. Again, try to imagine you're wearing a beautiful white crisp shirt and you have a hint of animal color popping through your white shirt. It's gonna make it look so beautiful and so sexy. Absolutely love them. So I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a big chance doing this for you guys today because I never do underwear videos here. I have not done one in a very, very long time, or as a matter of fact, ever. So everything is going to be linked below for you guys, and I do hope you enjoy this video today. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Odette, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Bye!